GaryVee.
Dude, you helped me like scale my bro, I'm 21, right? I sell jewelry, dude, on Instagram. I started like 5K, dude. I've been watching videos for like a year and a half.
Are you going hard at TikTok?
On TikTok, yeah, I got like 3,000 followers, probably like.
Tell me the truth. How often you post in a day on TikTok?
Like once every week or 2 weeks, bro. It's messed up, bro. It's messed up. No, I know, dude. But like it's hard to do that 80-20 thing when like 80% of your profits come like 100%.
Both.
100% of your profits.
You're
come
fucking
from
21.
Instagram, you know what I mean?
Sleep 5 hours a day and go hard.
Dude, that's what I'm doing.
I want to know if you're telling me the reason you can't post on TikTok 2 times a day is because you're spending all your time on Instagram. I want to know what the fuck you're doing every 24 hours. I want to know how you're sleeping. I want to know what content you're consuming, how you're living.
I post like almost 100 pieces of content just from you, bro. Like I'm living, breathing this, and it's like
listen to me, TikTok. Here's what Instagram can't do for you that TikTok can't. You can make one TikTok video, flashing your shit, and you can get 5 million organic views overnight.
I fucking feel that. And literally TikTok is like, you can post funny, you can post like aesthetic, like.
So what's the problem? Tell me.
I think it's insecurity, like fear type shit.
Good, like that the kids are even too young for you kind of shit?
Dude, not even, dude. Like I love Crain.
So what, that TikTok still is looked as corny a little bit to some people? Word with me.
I remember when you say that it's corny until it's not. And that's my motto. Like,
fuck this place.
Bro.
Fuck all these cool kids.
No,
fuck every one of these cool motherfuckers in here.
Weird. No, like,
fuck LA. Fucking post. It's not corny. It's gonna be the fucking framework.
Dude, it is the framework, bro. Like,
I know it is. That's why I say like it's TikTok, gonna be, because it already is.
TikTok is a living proof of that. That is corny until it's not.
Bro,
you look at TikTok and
bro, you need to post 2 times a day on TikTok. ASAP.
I think this is what just did it. Like obviously, right, my actions are, but I need to hear that because I hear it from your YouTube.
Do it. Do it.
I appreciate you, man.
Got you, bro.
Look, can we get another picture where it's like, where I'm just, look, can you point to the back of my shirt? Because it's like my brand, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I'm so, dude, you look healthy,
Yo, I'm gonna jump into that photo and say you're a dick if you're not posting 2 times a day on TikTok.